This animation allows us to explore denominators and numerators of fractions separately. First, we see that the denominator determines how many equal pieces our whole unit is divided into. That whole unit is represented twice on the screen, once by a rectangle and once by a circle. This animation will cycle from 1 to 20 indefinitely. Re-clicking this button will make it stop. By clicking this control button, an arrow appears that we can drag to any desired denominator quickly, up to 20. Next, our numerator tells us the number of these equal parts that we are using. It will cycle from 0 to whatever the denominator is, keeping our fraction less than or equal to 1 at all times. It also will cycle indefinitely. And again, to make it stop, simply re-click this button. By clicking this Show Controls button, two arrows now appear. The first can be dragged setting the denominator up from 1 to 20, and the second setting the numerator from 0 to whatever the denominator is, again keeping our fraction always less than or equal to 1. Other page tabs deal with comparing fractions, fractions of a group, improper fractions. Now the numerator can be dragged beyond the value of the denominator, lowest common denominator, adding fractions via an interactive number line. Notice how the partitioning of the number line responds to the change in denominator value, decimal fractions, percent fractions, and some common uses.